Today I'll be walking you through how to send your location on Telegram, a super useful feature whether you're meeting up with friends, sharing directions, or just letting someone know where you are. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to share your precise spot in just a few taps, so let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to open your Telegram app and navigate to the chat where you want to send your location. The key to starting this process is the paperclip icon, which is Telegram's way of indicating attachments. You'll usually find this icon down at the bottom of your chat window, right next to where you type your messages. Go ahead and tap, or if you're on a computer, hover your mouse over the paperclip. This opens up a few options like sending photos, files, contacts, and what we're interested in today, location. Once you see the pop-up menu, you'll notice location is one of the choices. Tap on that. Telegram may ask for permission to access your device's location services if you haven't enabled that before. This step is important because it lets Telegram know you're comfortable sharing this information. If that prompt pops up, just tap Allow or Yes, and you'll be ready to move on. Now your screen should show a map. Telegram tries its best to pinpoint your current location using your device's GPS, but it also lets you pick another place if you need to send a different spot, for example, where an event's happening later or a business you want your friend to find. You'll see a little pin. Think of it kind of like dropping a push pin on a paper map. If you want to adjust this pin, you can drag it around until it's exactly where you want. Take a moment here. Sometimes the map needs a few seconds to load, or your location might need refining, especially if you're in a big building or crowded area. Don't worry if the GPS is a bit off, it's totally normal. If you're trying to share a specific address or landmark, you can actually use the search bar at the top of the map to type in the name or the street. You don't have to navigate manually. This is a handy shortcut, especially for places that aren't your current location. Once you found the perfect spot, double-check that pin. It's always a good idea to make sure you're sending the right location, especially if someone's relying on you for directions. Now you're all set, just look for the button that says Send this location. Give that a tap, and Telegram will pop your chosen spot right into the chat as a clickable map. The other person will see it instantly and be able to use their own Maps app to navigate, so it really takes the guesswork out of meeting up or explaining where something is. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've shared your location safely and accurately. If you ever feel unsure, just run through these steps again and remember, it's always better to share a location rather than risk a long text trying to explain directions. So I hope this tutorial made the process clear and simple for you. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, and if you've got questions or you need more help, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.